2-in-1 Slushie machine. Ice cream maker. From slushies to ice cream. One machine for two kinds of enjoyment. Push the handle forward to lock it, then open the water inlet cover. After pouring in the prepared beverage ingredients, replace the lid. Press the button for your desired flavor. Wait for 30 to 45 minutes and observe the setting process. It has 6 preset function buttons and can make a variety of delicious treats. The ice cream you are making is now ready and set. Pull the handle and enjoy your delicious treat. Cleaning process. Open the water inlet cover and pour in clean water. First press the power button, then press the cleaning button. When the water becomes cloudy, pull the handle to drain the water quickly. Repeat the cleaning process and pour in clean water. Press the power button to turn off the machine. Push the handle backward, pull out the material cylinder, then remove the mixer and the water collection tray. Clean the accessories. Dry or air dry them completely, then reinstall.